Good morning. How we doing? A lot of drama yesterday on Twitter. The Tradeify promo is wrong. I don't have that promo. Be right with you guys. Just one more thing. All right. No really big plans for the open. I'm just gonna do my regular trade, see if I could get a winner off the bat. Maybe I'll go for 46. Not doing the opening range trade. Copy trader is on. All right. Good luck today, guys. Good luck. I'm gonna be long biased again. Like this dip. We'll find some support levels on the bigger frame and man. Wanted the dip here, not a rip. Come on. This is, well, the opening range trade would have worked nicely today. Okay, good. This is QUANTOWER platform. You could find the link down below. Kind of missed the opportunity there for a trade. Was not expecting. Well, not that I wasn't expecting it. It wasn't part of my plan. I wanted a quick dip down to 690s, and then I would buy. So I had the right bias, just no entry. Very strong. Damn it. Should have just marketed in. Let's get that caffeine in. Hate this. I really hate having so much FOMO so early. Had a good bias, had a good idea, but just no entry. Could have been done on the day for these accounts already. ES is going the same way, just a little bit weaker. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. I hope you guys are catching this. I have so much FOMO already. Right before I did the open, I said my bias is long. And guess what? The move happens and I'm not in the trade. So what is that going to do? That's going to create FOMO, right? Automatically it's going to create FOMO. No, man, this is where streaming is the more difficult part because definitely more hesitant to enter trades when I'm streaming. Sometimes it's good though, but sometimes it's not. I know I can't catch every trade, but the open is my bread and butter. Diego, I made $300,000 or $400,000 basically trading the open. Yeah, I was gonna say I haven't seen your stream too much. I mean, I haven't seen you on stream too much. So yeah, so most of my profits are from the very open. Like opposite. Well, Nutty trades the 3-minute opening range trade now, but he used to never touch the market before like 9:45 or 10 o'clock. I'm the opposite. I'd rather be done by then if I can. Which usually I am. It's just hesitated slightly. This was the dip buy I had. I hit the bid instead of just marketing in, so I missed the entry there. So just a lot of Apex reset the accounts from yesterday. Nice. So I guess the ones I flipped and I lost $25 on, I got back. Actually, let me check. I didn't send the P&L to anyone. I don't know what my P&L was. All right, guys, the stream's done. I'm calling it quits. I quit. Oh, I quit trading, guys. 90-point move, and I'm not in it. All I wanted was 10 points. Now what? Now what do you do? Right? That's what's hard, huh? You do short and look like an idiot if it keeps going higher? Or do you long and look like an idiot for buying the top? Those are two options. If it doesn't work, you're always going to look like an idiot if it doesn't work. If it works, then yeah, you're good. But now it's like both ways. Now that I spoke about it, it doesn't work that way, Mr. Beg Beef. I'm just happy the ORB worked. Needed to work for a few more days, and then I'll take it again on the regular. Shallow pullback. Not looking good. Let's see if they could save it. Come on, boys, pop this. Because if we pop it over the high, and then I'll get out of this trade and I'll rebuy it down here at 768. Because then that would be a nice trap. No, it's gonna stop me out. Like if I'm gonna lose, like why am I scared to chase? Like your risk is protected. Like there's no reason to be fearful of losing, you know? I should have just chased it down here. Okay, let's see. It'll be a deeper pullback. Or is it gonna just be a shallow pullback? Let's see. We're flagging. Do we have any major news at 9:45 or 10 o'clock? At 10. Trump and Powell at 10 o'clock. Why Alpine trader? I ski all the time. I grew up skiing. I don't ski as much now. I go now because of my niece and nephew, but when I was younger, that was my skiing was everything for me. Come on. Let's break it. Break it, break it, break it. We broke that candle, so might as well just break even stop at this point. We'll see how the 15-minute opening range trade plays out. Might regret this stop, but don't want to get down too much in the day too early. I just need to trade. It's only 10 points I'm looking for. It's not like I'm looking for a lot. So if I can't get 10 points straight up, then might as well just take a stop. And we'll see how the 15-minute opening range works. So far, lower high. Yeah, we might be waiting for the speech, testimony, whatever it is. Beautiful move off the open. And they should have been done for me. On these 6 accounts, the day should have been done. That's the sad part. And there it goes. Oh well. Still struggling though. It's gonna break out and it's either gonna stuff or keep going. That's the hard part, buying the breakout. I'd rather see a breakout, stuff, and then dip to 765 and then find support there and then go. That's my plan right now. We'll see. I miss trading with no stops. Stuff like this is just a winning trade every time. Such a bigger win ratio. What's the 15-minute opening range trade? It's just a breakout, so I have an indicator to just draw out the 15-minute range. So if you take a 15-minute candle, this is 15 minutes off the open, and you just take the breakout. But I don't take it like as soon as it breaks because it often fails. All right, we got 10 minutes till the speech. I don't know if there's going to be much tradable price action until then. Kind of, we want to figure out what direction they want to send the market in. Are they going to send it in a direction, or is it just going to be a whiplash, you know? But is Trump speaking too, or is it doesn't say on the calendar I use, it doesn't say Trump. Shrews, good morning. Tough day so far, but Discord and main chat. Okay, I see. So they're not speaking at the same time. I found a car for you, Alpine 911. What do you mean? You guys want to see an update on the garage? Finally got the paneling up yesterday. Got these panels up in the garage yesterday. So that's what it's going to look like. It's going to be nice. I bought these panels. There's like cheaper version of these. These were expensive. These were kind of cheap. I bought them locally, so it was a pain in the butt to install them. Yeah, it should be able to clean up the garage out of most tools. Most of the tools are my dad's, so if he takes them back, then I could start working on the floor. Crazy chop. But there was the trap. There was that trap. Let's see what happens here. There it goes. I don't know if it's going to hold. It's gonna be long, 6 minutes, and then who knows what time he's actually speaking and how long he's speaking for. It's gonna be like, it's not like a news event where it's like, all right, in and out, you know? It's like, does it say how long he's gonna be speaking for? I'll love it for a big drop. It's so easy to buy the dip, in my opinion. Like now buying the long is so hard, but when the market dumps, then it's so easy to wait for support and then just buy the reversal. Again, not going for a crazy amount of points, but Trump 3 feet close to the microphone, no trade. Five minutes. It's a long 5 minutes. Hit the likes, guys. If I could get these accounts to green today, and I could get the other ones to green and secure my payout, then we'll do a giveaway, but it might not happen today. Tony I don't have much of an opinion. Danny's defending himself pretty well. I don't have a Trade of 8 account, so I can't tell you if that's how it's supposed to be, but in the video, it definitely shows demo account and then it flips to the actual account. Which, all right, we got the trap here, guys. I might have to take this. $10 points seems so far away. Come on, let's get a small dub out of the way before the news. Nice. So it's like you have a higher high and then the previous low is the trap. That's where everyone puts their stops or shorts there. This might keep ripping, but don't want to get greedy because I could just be down $90 right now and wait for the news and then hopefully something else comes in. Mr. Powell is having a testimony. I don't know how much of an impact it's going to have. We'll see. Interest rate 4.5%. But what is that interest rate for? Like, that's not a mortgage interest rate. All right, 2 minutes. Ooh, open trade with the speech. I like that. I like that. I used to do that. Nice little gamble there, but it could pay off. 1 minute. But I don't know. I think the market's gonna have some kind of movement right at 10, and then we'll see what happens. Because again, it's not like a news event, like a report, right? When they do a report news event, the market moves once for a minute or two, and then we're done. With testimony, who knows how long it's gonna be moving. What do you guys think? Up or down? Both. Todd, you and your shorts. Oh, Todd loves shorting. I'll make you a mod so I can see her. All right, let's see. I'm assuming Rhythmic's gonna take a poop for a split second. There we go. Well, whoever said down and up is correct. Damn. Visual trader, I think it's because of the volatility. You could scalp it quickly. I don't know of any futures that follow technicals really well. Same thing happens on ES. It's nothing different. That's why I prefer stocks. When it comes to technicals, I prefer stocks. That can blew your account. Oh, that's why it's not recommended to be in trades at this time. Your coin doesn't know. All right, well, what's going to happen now? Is he speaking or what? Is there anywhere we could see this? Yeah. No, actually, nope. Damn, he's going hard on Biden. Yeah, this is definitely gonna. This might be a bad dump here. We'll see. Powell's not speaking yet. Come on, market, do something. Can we go out of this range? No trade zone. Jimmy, no, I have not. Is that have you been using QUANTOWER with multiple logins? ES is breaking down below the level, below the range at least. How much money is Powell making? Like, imagine having a job like that. Like, I wouldn't want to do that job for. Uh, I don't know. Like, how do you enjoy having a job like that? So he makes less money than I do. Jesus. Are you still thinking about trading under LLC? I would like to trade under LLC. It's just the switch is complicated or time consuming. Co-president Musk. she, oh man, she's so funny. She just called Musk a co-president. Yeah, you just got to make a new whole Apex account. And not every prop firm has LLC ability. Wow, this is so bad. Come on. I guess this lady doesn't like Musk. Apparently, there was a rhythmic issue yesterday, which a lot of people experienced. I did not have any issues with rhythmic, but they reset the accounts if you were red. You can't blow an account with micros, long bias. How is that possible? Yeah, I usually trade one on Q. But I also have an opening range trade, which is 3 contracts, but just hasn't ever since inauguration hasn't been working. So I stopped for now. Are they just waiting for Powell to speak so we could break out of this range? There's no way he's gonna remember all these questions. She really hates Musk. Everyone used to love Musk until he started supporting Trump. It's so funny how it works. But uh I don't know, Neil. Yes, I did, Eddie. I used to talk to him a little bit. It sucks, especially since it's snowboarding related or skiing related. That that hit home. I also have a local, not a friend, but someone I know in town or local towns. He got hit by a car on Sunday after the Super Bowl. I don't know why he was outside his car, but he was outside his car, maybe like checking something, and he got hit. 37-year-old, and he was at the same mountain skiing as me on Sunday before the Super Bowl. Life is crazy. Why don't I use end of day prop firm? I do. I use Tradeify. I've used Top Step. I've used My Funded Futures. I've used Fitus. When am I going into BDH? I don't know. All right, Powell speaking now. Black Magic. It should be pretty quick. I've never gotten to payout, so I'm just speaking on what I've seen on my Discord. Be on BDH talking ish about Top Step live stream would be funny. Yeah, but I don't like to talk crap, so I don't really. I wouldn't engage in that too much. I'm not too big on drama. This Danny stuff is pretty crazy though. Wonder what's gonna come from that. Yeah, Pat would be like bullying me for trying to start something. It's like, Alpine, you gotta do something. And we're still in the range. Oh man. I'm just gonna wait because this is bad. Like, I don't want to get caught in the crazy move, you know? Because usually it's like you'll lose your patience, you'll get into a trade, and then the trade presents itself a few minutes later. And you just wish you were more patient. Nutty survived BDH, deer in the headlight. No, but Nutty definitely did well. It's a lot of pressure too. Nutty is more like a quiet person, kind of similar to what I am. You know, it's not the language to me. Obviously, it doesn't matter, but it's the same language I use when I play Call of Duty. Patrick's gonna have a racing sim in the warehouse, so we're gonna do that instead of golfing. We're gonna do a racing sim. It'll be fun. Yeah, I should pass some evals tomorrow on CPI. What is this promotion Patrick has for a new prop firm? I don't know. What prop firm is it? Definitely not his. He doesn't have his own. Is it fund if Futures Network or something? Or daytraders.com? No, that's the former employee of Apex, Leo. I got a big offer from them too. The best offer I ever gotten was from them. Danny Trades has his own prop firm already. All right, I'm not listening to this. It doesn't make a difference at this point. Up and down we go. I'll take that long. See what happens here. Come on, baby. Hit the target. Get us back to green on the day. There we go. Same trap setup as before. Pullback, pullback, higher highs, previous low. I like this setup. You, Nutty, and Patrick should think about your own prop firm as well. Oh no, I sold too soon. I sold too soon. I don't know if I would do that. I don't know if I would do my own prop firm, to be honest. Do I teach my method? No. No. I don't think you can learn. The trap setup stopped working in choppy markets. Non-trending. It doesn't always work. I want the ORB to work again all the time. You guys know that last year, if you're new to my channel, last year my first loss on the ORB was not until February 29th. So from December 15th till February 29th, I did not lose once on my opening range trade. Silly me, I was only trading like 5 accounts at the time, 6. If I was trading all 20 accounts at that time, oh man, would have been great. But I could have made some bad decisions. The market is chopping, yes, but it's trending. If you took the traps to the short side, it would fail. Alex, partially, yes. Todd, you short every day. Come on, dude. Why? Why? I hope you stopped out. You have to get that out of your head. This is not small caps. The shorts are obvious if you wait and you chase a little bit. Where's the guy who timed 300-point move last week? I don't know. Who did that? Danny? Oh. I remember that. That was 300-point target, though? I don't know if that was 300 points, but I remember that. That was wild. That was the greatest call I've ever seen. It was pretty big, though. It was pretty big. Not, I don't know if it was 300, but it was definitely like, I was like, oh, that's pretty big target. And then boom. It was news related, I think. Forget what it was, but all right, we're still going up higher. Okay, I think we're speeding up a little bit. Since 9:30, I trade. I don't trade pre-market because I am usually sleeping till very late. Today I woke up at 8 and I just stayed in bed. I listened to Sports Center. I watched the Lakers game last night, so that was pretty late. What do I think of Luka being on the Lakers? I'm gonna be rooting for them to win it all. But I heard Davis might be out for the season. I don't know if that's true or not. Definitely at least 3 weeks, but if he's out for the season, that's pretty bad. Yeah, so the Lakers are on a pretty big winning streak. I wonder how long they could keep going. He's always been a little chubby. He's very heavy. Powell's still speaking, so I don't know. I don't know how much longer. If Trump speaks, we're definitely gonna get more violent candles. Let's see. Is Trump speaking? Can't find anything. Let's try one more time. It's gonna be a loss. I'm trying to see if I could get out for break even. I don't want to just hit market because it's going to be crazy slippage and come on. Really? Take that off for now. It's not going. Visual trader, everyone's got their preference. I like all sports. I just don't watch TV. I only watch sports. But I'm more of a player fan than I am the team fan in many sports. Like football, I don't really. The only sport that I have a team is definitely hockey. In soccer, I used to be a huge Real Madrid fan. Then all my players retired. And now I just follow like Lewandowski, of course. So now I like Barca. I'm at the age where all my generational players retired or about to retire. Like Ovechkin, Crosby, LeBron, Ronaldo, Messi. All the quarterbacks, Tom Brady, you know, those type, Eli Manning, all those guys, just people that I grew up with watching, they're done. Even way before that, you got you know, the Real Madrid. Do I want to retake this? Nah, I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I'm 35, 36. Yeah, a lot of good games today. I'd love to get one more win on these accounts, and I could be done, and I could request almost a full payout. I'm up. Yeah, a tiny bit. It's hard to trade this. Like, there's not much confidence in my trading with this price action. Like, I can't find a way to, like, reversals is my strength, and I can't find a reversal because I don't short this market. So what I needed to do is I need a big pullback, and then I'll feel confident to long again. I just need 10 more points. Then I could request a full payout on this account. 2,000. Yeah, how long is this stupid testimony? Yeah, I'm not worried about the movement from news. I would like to see some movement outside of ranges. Like, it's just very tight range, very choppy. I don't know. There was definitely a lot of opportunities today. I could be done for the day. That's the thing. I just hesitated at the open. Do I get nervous anymore about next trades when close to the payout? Not really. No. I haven't been nervous about trading in a while. I could get pissed or hesitate in a sense, but not be nervous. I might be looking for like the most perfect trade, and then I just hesitate and I don't take any other trades that would have worked or that, I would take on the brand new account. But that's normal. It's part of, I've been getting a payout since May of 2023. And in the first few months, yes. I mean, even last year in January, my first big payout, 24,000. So that was 12 accounts. I'll never forget the day that I secured it. I was so nervous that day. But back then I was trading. If the trade didn't work, I would blow those accounts. Because we didn't need the safety net. So we didn't need to grow the accounts. Now I got to grow the account so much more to get a big payout. It's way more difficult now than it was. Close all. I don't use the close all. I use close all just means it closes your positions. You should use flatten. Or you could use close all and then flatten. Because close all is not about orders. It's about positions. We're following the moving average really nicely. And VWAP. know if that's weighted volume moving average. Or that's the same as VWAP, but all right, Powell, what are you talking about? Huh? What you saying there, buddy? Yeah, day in futures makes sense. It takes time to get used to a different platform. What made you switch? One second, guys. Hit the likes, guys. Hit the like button for me if you can. I'm just gonna wait. I don't know how long I'm gonna be here for, but it's hard to trade this. Very hard. We're approaching yesterday's resistance. Yeah, about 30 points from yesterday's high. It's just one of those days you just buy the dip and you just hope for the best. I didn't request a payout. I was gonna request it yesterday, but I didn't. I could request 3,000, but now I could request like not 3.5, but like 3.2, 3.3 thousand. If I get one more win today, then I could request like 3,700. Yeah, hopefully it get approved. Hopefully this week I'll request 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 14, 17, and maybe 18,000. Because I'm not going to be able to request from that. I'm not going to get these accounts much higher unless I have a really good day. But if I could get 18, then that'll be a $20,000 February, and we're just starting with February, so I should be able to get another payout in February. So $20,000, $30,000 months is going to be the goal for now. I think that's a very solid. Trust me, guys, when you make a lot, sometimes it's worse. It's great, but mentally it's worse, because when I made $50,000 and $80,000 in a month, you kind of get used to it, and then making 20,000 is no longer good. Versus now making $20,000 is great, because I kind of just, went back to reality. And I know there's people out there posting crazy P&L, taking huge payouts, but everyone's on their own journey, and you just got to realize what's needed for you. And sometimes making too much, it really makes you appreciate it less. It's so weird to explain that to someone that's never been there, but it really happens. Like, I would love to be on the $1 million payout list. And who knows, maybe I could get there this year, like lifetime. But it all depends if I could keep these accounts and keep them growing. Well, Diego, the simple way to kind of make it relatable to everyone is just think about it as a kid. As a kid, little things excited you. You know, it was all new. Whether that was video games, like very basic video games, or seeing something for the first time, or wanting something. Like when I was a kid, all I wanted was some good soccer cleats, or a new soccer ball, or, you know, get my skis. Skis were expensive, you know, so like that was a big, or maybe get a motorcycle. That was, you know, in the next stage. That's already not being a kid, but, you know. But now I could buy a new motorcycle every day, because the motorcycles I bought back in the day, you know, they were like $3,000, $4,000. And I had to work and save up for that. I remember the days where I used to work and I always thought about how much money I'm spending for lunch. And I always wondered, will I ever have a job where it's like I don't have to even check the price when I go out for lunch or dinner? I'm thinking about taking this trap, but this could be the reversal, so. See how it plays out. The trap could be down here. 24. I'm not big on food. I could live with no food. Just give me chicken breast, some potatoes, some pasta, pizza. I'm very basic. I actually hate going out to eat to fancy restaurants because the food sucks, in my opinion. All right, are we getting a short trap here, or is this actually gonna reverse? Is it actually gonna reverse? Is Powell still speaking? Let's see. Yeah, he is. Okay. All right, Powell, let's get it down to here and then say something good, okay? You spent $700 on a night out a few months back. That's where all my money goes. Yeah. Well, make your payouts with Top Step, and let's see. This might be a lower high. And then see how it feels. Once you take out like 20 grand a month, then $700 is not a big deal. But it makes me appreciate what I did last year at this time more, for sure. Because back then I thought like I was gonna just keep doing it. And then when I went on the slump, or what I thought was a slump, at least for me, compared to my early months, it was a slump. It kind of just made me realize how well I actually did and how difficult this is. Makes me want a long, but I don't want to. I think it's going to make a lower high and keep going lower. Maybe down to here. Definitely interested in the long down here, though, if it holds it up. So it could be like this, or it could also be like this. Come on. Like, how are you? Small green day so far. I just can't get much going. This Powell testimony just kind of ruins the week. Or ruins the day. Feels like, I don't know why I thought it was Thursday. Next week is another short week. We got Valentine's Day, so I gotta get these payouts. It's my own gift from Apex. Apex is my Valentine. Let's see how it reacts. If you're short, don't pay attention to my analysis because it doesn't matter. I might be wrong. No, why are you bouncing already? I live in New Jersey. Come on, one more low. One more new low here, please. Nutty's not streaming today. Sopranos. You don't know it from the Jersey Shore? Let's see. It's a pretty big level here because if we break down and keep going lower, we could definitely have a significant sell-off. But if we go lower and we trap, then could retest the highs. Camber, they blew their load on the open. They used all their bullets of volatility at the open. Yeah, we need some hackers to hack Trump's Twitter and just, we'll make millions. All right. Yeah, he's been testifying for an hour now. You would think that would bring more volatility, but it doesn't. Come on. Yeah, we got CPI, PPI this week. There was something about this candle. It like snapped. I'm tempted to take that. Could be the trap the other way, but let's see. Kind of early. No, it didn't go. Just doesn't want to go. Now, see, exactly what I was talking about just a minute ago. Wait. Exactly what I was just talking about, not a minute ago, a few minutes ago. That was a trap. The same trap I played, but the other way. Now we're breaking this level that I wanted to see retested. I lost my patience. Perfect trade setup here, guys. Perfect trade setup, and I just ruined it. Lack of patience. Perfect example. I've been waiting for a break of this low here for so long. It just wasn't going. And now if I lose, it's going to be a double loss instead of just one loss. Definitely getting some weakness now. Patrick is dancing with his shirt off. Oh, man. What happened to the suit? He used to wear a suit, and now he's dancing with no shirt. Come on, we need this win. Nope, gonna lose. Come on, Powell. Say something good, Powell. You could do it. Come on, let's break this trend line. Unbelievable. It would have been a winning trade, guys. I would have taken my 10 points. Would have been done for the day on these accounts. Why did I get impatient there? Why? I just talked about it earlier. How we're impatient and we take the trade, and then right after, the real trade shows its face. Come on, baby. I'm so mad at myself for taking this trade. This one, not the one I'm in now, this one. No, I'm not off. Just the camera dies. Oh, come on, baby. Make the pain and suffering worth it. Definitely break even stop now, no. Let's get it, boys and girls. Come on. I don't even know how much profit that is. 385, 20 points. This stops me out, then I just ruin my own day by taking this trade. Hopefully this finds support here and then keeps going. If I just stuck to the plan, huh? Everyone says that. I get like 3 text messages a day. If I just stuck to my plan, well, we all do the same mistakes. Waited for an hour to get to this level. Right before it, I take a trade, get stopped out, had to re-enter. Now my target's way bigger instead of just 10 points. And it's gonna stop me out break even. And this sucks big time. I'm gonna have to re-enter though. That's the problem because it was not invalidated, didn't break. I just put my stop in just in case it flushes. Still finding support there, so. I didn't want to get caught in a big flush in case the support broke. That's why I stopped out break even, but if I lose on this trade, then I just gotta really hope that it sells off and I could buy it much lower. But if I get stopped out and then it goes, then the day's over. We have to call it a day, a red day. Oh, painful. Painful sequence of events, all because of one silly entry right there. I don't think we're gonna go up now. Didn't really hold. This needs to go up here and then hold. Otherwise, it's gonna be sketch. What a joke. All right, let's sell off here. Big sell off, please. When we get a big sell off, then it's an easy long. I could make my losses back. So frustrating, guys. So frustrating. I waited this whole move. So how long is that? 21 minutes. Waited for the break of this low here. I get in here, instantly get stopped out, and then I have to re-enter. And then I'm trying to go for a much bigger move instead of just my 10 points because I'm already down. And oftentimes I get way more than 10 points. So it's not like I'm pissed about holding. It's just I'm pissed that I took this trade. Because now I'm down 422 instead of being up 300. And that's how trading works. How little of a difference it makes between being up 300 versus being down 400. But if we don't get a sell-off now, then I'll have to call it a day. I can't long this now. So I just need a big sell-off. I'm so frustrated, so I don't want to trade either. I don't want to trade this sequence, right? I want to trade something brand new. But we do have the low channel here. I might do it. Yeah, me neither. After missing the big push off the open, I had no confidence. Is Powell done or no? He's still doing this freaking testimony. I'm just ruining these accounts slowly. Come on. I'm not even gonna look. I don't want to see. I guess time to scalp. If I just scalped, I'll be way better off today, huh? Because I'm on the wrong side of the moves. Come on. Why you do this to me? So frustrating today. It's a chop, really. Trying to get 10 points seems like impossible. Does it want to go lower? Like, why do I have to get stopped out before it goes? I'm not gonna let it do it to me. This chop is something else. Because you know there's gonna be a big, massive candle one way or the other. Eventually, like a random one. Yes, with Apex, you gotta trade for 8 days. Eval is 1 day. Oh, this is so painful. Should just come back at power hour. This is only scalping. It's hard to sell because of what if it keeps going, but this is a scalping market. I don't know, guys. My last trade. I'm in no mood anymore. This is mentally, money aside, this is mentally draining. What is this? This is the craziest chop. There's got to be something out of it soon. Future Skid, what's going on, brother? How you been? I'm waiting for a breakout to happen. Like I should be trading micros and letting this breathe instead of choking it every 50 ticks. Oh, that's it, guys. We'll see everyone tomorrow once I get stopped out. I'm done with this. I might trade power hour, but I'm done trading for the day. For the morning, I should say, not the day. This is as brutal as it gets. All because of one trade I took. All because of this trade I took. Everything just escalated so bad. I want to add, but If I wasn't copy trading, I would add. But knowing my luck, it's just going to fall apart. But if I get stopped out here, Raider, and it keeps going higher, then I'm just going to... What am I going to do? I just keep losing to using stop losses. I wouldn't have lost once if I didn't use a stop loss. That's the annoying part. But just super frustrated taking this trade here. If I didn't take this trade, my day is done. Green. Max daily loss on Apex is... There's no max daily loss. It's per trade. You could lose 4 times, $750 per trade. And blow the account in the same day. Without breaking any rules. All right, guys. Down 710, not the end of the world. Should be up 400 or 300, but hopefully this sells off, and then when I come back later, I'll have an opportunity to buy the dip and, you know, minimize the damage. But that's not going to happen till 3 o'clock. Hopefully when Powell stops talking, market changes a little bit. But it's going to be lunchtime now. It's going to be slow. It might sell off, but I'm not going to short. And then the only way I'll make anything back is if it does sell off and then I have a chance to buy the dip. That's the only way. Tough. Incredibly tough mentally today. Oh my goodness. Worst day I've had in such a long time. Nah, no beer. I'm just gonna go relax for a little bit, make some lunch, and then gonna continue working on the garage. And then I'll take a break around 3 o'clock. I'll keep an eye on the market from 3 o'clock till 4, and then if there's anything that I could potentially trade, I'll try to minimize the damage. I knew I should have taken the payout. I don't know why I didn't take the payout, but Matty Matt, yeah, I feel your pain. Today is absolutely terrible. But it didn't have to be. That's what makes it difficult. Is it could have been such a great day had I not taken this one stupid trade. It all came down to this trade. And I was not supposed to take it. I just lost patience. That's how simple it is. It would have been a great day if this reversed, of course, which it didn't. But finally, we're getting some kind of sell-off. I hope it keeps going. Am I trying to make a garage like Patrick? Well, I started my garage way before Patrick's. I started my garage build last year. I'm going all black and just always wanted a garage to be nice, not like a typical garage. All right, guys. I'll see everyone tomorrow. I don't only have a long bias. I just get burnt on shorts all the time. The market just keeps going up. It's just, I don't do well with trend trading. I do really well with reversals. Reversals is where it's at, in my opinion. Right? That's where I make my money. Trend trading, I go short, it keeps ripping, right? If I went short here, it keeps ripping. Yeah, just not sure. Maybe restart your QUANTOWER or reconnect to Volnox. You could buy here. Yeah, I could buy here, but I'm not going to. I'm going to wait. I need to cool off. I'm not trading well. Don't want to see the market for the next hour or two. All right, guys. Later. I'll see you all tomorrow. CPI tomorrow. Maybe I'll try to pass some evals. And yeah. Later, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Hit the likes on your way out. We'll get over it today. Not a big deal. Down 700. First red day in a while. Just sucks because that ruins the payout on these accounts. I was $100 away from a payout, and now I'm $800 away from a payout. What are you gonna do? Gotta make it back this week. Not that big of a deal. It's only Tuesday. Yeah, I lost. I was trying to get back to green and I just messed it up. I had the easiest day ever if I don't, not ever, but easiest trade ever. If I don't take this trade, I don't know what got into my mind. Because I was talking about it earlier about how you wait for a trade and you don't just lose your patience. You take another trade, you get stopped out, and the opportunity presents itself literally minutes later. Well, for me, it wasn't minutes, it was seconds later. I take a long here, I get stopped out, I'm down on the day instead of being up on the day. So here, I was up 325, and so bad. Also got greedy on the trades. Anyway, just not a good day. I hope you guys did better than me, and we'll be back at it tomorrow. Just need a bigger day now. Can't settle for $200-$300 days anymore. Gotta settle for $400-$500 days tomorrow, which is fine. But if this keeps selling off, I will be buying it for a reversal at some point in the afternoon. All right, guys. I'm going to go make some breakfast or lunch, whatever you want to call it. It's going to be breakfast for lunch. Thanks, guys, and see you tomorrow.